L'avevo piegato in nave da noi.
කොනගිටින්න කොහොමද? ඉවරනද?
Okay, good evening, everyone. Today we are going to start our course. 26 students in the class. Okay, so today I will introduce you about Cubicle software, and then I will do introductory session regarding building information modeling. After that, we will discuss about how to download and install the software. Then I will give you the access to our online training platform as well. Okay, so today's class will be an informative class. Okay, so please focus and learn everything. Okay, so this is uh, about building information modeling. Okay, so you can get a start for your building information modeling journey. Okay, so I think this will be a valuable session. Okay, so thank you again for your kind participation. Let's begin with building information modeling. Okay, then after that we will move to software installation and this online training platform. Okay, so we have students all over the world. Uh, we have students from all over the world. Okay, especially we have Mr. Steenkamp, Namibian cricketer also. So welcome, Mr. Steenkamp. So yeah, this is a great class, I think. Okay, so you can search Mr. Evald Steenkamp in Google. Okay, so he's a professional cricketer from Namibia. Okay, so I'm really happy that he joined for our class. Okay, guys. So let's start today's class. I will share my screen, then I will introduce you building information modeling. Okay, so after that, we will move on to other things. Okay.
अरे बहुत लूंगी है जहाँ भाई बहुत सारा लेके आए
Okay. I hope you all can see my screen. I will share my screen like this. Okay. So this is the content for today's class. First, we'll discuss about digitalization. Okay, so I will not discuss about theories related to digitalization. I will explain you about the practical aspects of digitalization. Then digitalization in construction. Then after that, I will introduce you building information modeling. Then after that, we will discuss about dimensions of BIM and digital twin. Then I will discuss you about concepts of BIM, and I will give you some practical examples as well. Then roles of BIM professionals. Okay, so I will discuss about roles of BIM professionals. So after finishing this course, if you're willing to go further with this building information modeling, so you can study hard about this area. Let's begin with digitalization. Okay, so I will give you some examples for digital transformation. Okay, so then you can understand about the BIM. Okay, so first, this banking. Okay, so we all know banking systems has been digitalized over the years. Okay, so we all use these digital banking systems. Okay, and then if we want to socialize, we have a lot of options: Facebook, WhatsApp, Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat. Okay, so you name it. So socializing also digitalized. Okay, and our Facebook company uh, is going towards metaverse. Okay, so in near future you can wear virtual glasses and you can go to another world. Okay, so socializing also digitalized now. And transportation, if you go to China, Japan, they have solid transportation system. Okay, so you can use your mobile phone and you can use public transportation based on the informations provided from those apps. Okay, so transportation industry also going towards the digitalization. Then retail industry. If you go to a shop, okay, so they will scan your barcode and they will give you the price. Okay, sometimes you can just put your card uh, into a scanning machine. Okay, then the scanning machine will detect all the prices and give you the bill. Okay, so the retail industry also has been digitalized. And the construction industry, our industry, okay, as quantity surveyors and construction professionals, we have to rethink. Okay, so are we ready to adapt to these digital technologies? Okay, so it is a question mark. Okay, so as quantity surveyors, we have to think hard um, whether we are using enough technologies. And I will explain you about digital building and physical building. This is very important. And first, I will explain you about the physical building. Okay, so what is this physical building? Okay, so architects, engineers, quantity surveyors sit together and they will discuss about the design. Okay, in physical scenario. Then we can start pre-construction. Okay, in physical scenario, first we will do feasibility study, then we will do pre-qualification. Okay, then we can start tendering. Okay, all the things will be done in the physical scenario. Then after that we can start the construction. Okay, we can nominate a contractor. Then that contractor will do the construction in physical scenario. Then after finishing the construction, we can do the maintenance. Okay, this is the cycle. This is the basic cycle of a physical building. Okay, and then I will explain you about the digital building. Okay, in digital scenario, we will do collaborative design. Okay, all the stakeholders related to design will join in online platform. Okay, so architects, engineers, quantity surveyors, okay, they can uh, collaboratively give their ideas in digital platform. Okay, so we call that platform as building information modeling platform. Okay, so we have digital building. Okay, all the stakeholders give their ideas based on that digital 3D model. Then we can do virtual pre-construction. Okay, so we can create a 3D model. Okay, so we can do everything virtually. Okay, so best example for this virtual pre-construction is e-tendering. Okay, so we can do e-tendering very easily. Okay, then virtual construction. After that, we can create a 3D model. Okay, and we can simulate this 3D model according to our construction program. Okay, under 4D BIM, we can create a 3D model by using software like Revit, ArchiCAD, or any other 3D modeling software. Then we can create our construction program by using Primavera, MS Project, or Excel. Okay, then we can merge these two things together. Okay, then we can do a 4D simulation. Okay, I will explain further about this 4D simulation under 4D BIM. Okay, so we can do virtual construction. Okay, so we can create a 3D model. We can do many things. Even we can create a safety plan in this virtual scenario. Okay, and we can simulate that safety plan. Okay, so we can do so many things in this virtual scenario. After that, we can do virtual maintenance. Okay, so we can, after finishing the building, we can create the as built 3D model. Okay, then we can put some scanners in this physical building, and we can get some information from these scanners from uh, Internet of Things, IoT. Okay, and we can feed those information into this digital building. Okay, then we can analyze those information inside this digital building, and we can based on those analysis, we can do some adjustments to the physical building. So we can do virtual maintenance. Okay, so we can use we can do a lot of things by using this virtual building. Okay, you can see uh, from online. Okay, if we put some scanners, okay, if we put some uh, devices, in this physical building, we can get some information from this physical building. Then we can feed into our digital building. Then we can analyze those informations in this digital building and we can feed back to our physical building. So this is the uh, connection between physical building and digital building. Okay, so normally we call it as digital twin. Okay, so I think now you have a comprehensive idea about this physical building and digital building, and you have very good understanding about the connectivity between these two buildings. Then we have to understand these kind of things. Okay, the lowest digitalized sector is the construction industry. Okay, according to McKinsey 2015. Okay, over past 2 decades, construction productivity has only grown on average 1% per year. Okay, that means if you uh, merge with these digital technologies, you will have lot of opportunities. Okay, so I personally believe that, okay, within 5 to 10 years, okay, construction industry will adapt to this building information modeling. Because previously I worked as technical manager for ArchiCAD software. Okay, so you can search ArchiCAD in Google. ArchiCAD is the oldest building information modeling software in the world, and it is very intelligent software. Okay, according to their opinion, okay, after 5 to 10 years, industry will fully adapted to building information modeling. So if you know building information modeling, you will have a lot of opportunities. Construction is the most collaborative yet the most fragmented industry in the world. Okay, so you have to be cautious. And examples for digital technologies, virtual reality. Okay, so this is amazing concept, virtual reality. uh, and you can see, you can wear virtual glass. Okay, and you can go into the building by using these virtual glasses, and you can observe everything and you can experience them. Okay, so this is very interesting technology. And Gordon, okay, so as a number one uh, construction software provider in China, we have a lot of technologies similar to this. Okay, so we are using these technologies in China. And augmented reality. Okay, so what is the difference between augmented reality and virtual reality? Okay, virtual reality is fully virtual platform. Okay, so augmented reality is it's like a combination of physical scenario and virtual scenario. Okay, as you can see in this picture, you can create a 3D model on top of this physical environment. Okay, so this is the main difference between augmented reality and virtual reality. I hope you can understand it. Then the artificial intelligence. Okay, so this is very important. Art- Artificial intelligence has been using in the construction industry uh, rapidly. Okay, so if I explain you about this particular scenario, you can run a drone on top of this construction site. Okay, and you can take some pictures from that drone. Okay, then you can analyze those pictures and you can identify people who are wearing safety helmets. Okay, by using this artificial intelligence. Okay, and you can detect wet floors, helmet missings. Okay, you can do many things by using artificial intelligence. As quantity surveys, excuse me, as quantity surveys, we can also use this artificial intelligence. Especially we can use artificial intelligence for cost forecasting. Okay, so in construction industry, we use this artificial intelligence very much. And there are a lot of artificial AI tools in Cubicle software as well. Okay, you can experience during the training. And then smart wearables. Okay, so as you can see in this picture, okay, you can use these smart wearables. If you use a smart hard hat feature, you can monitor fatigue, prevent microsleep, detect collisions, and you can do many things by using these smart wearables. Then 3D printing. China use this 3D printing technology so much. Okay, so they use this 3D printing for create precast elements. Okay, so you saw uh, during this COVID-19 period. Okay, so they built hospitals within 1 week. Okay, so they use this technology very much. And robotic technology. Recently, I had a conversation with my general manager from Gordon. He told me that average age of construction worker in China is 55. Okay, they are younger generation reluctant to go to construction sites. As a solution, Chinese government has introduced a lot of robotic technologies for their construction industry. They have bricklaying robots and tile laying robots. Okay, so it's very nice. Then drone technology. In Sri Lanka, we mostly use this drone technology for wedding photography and traveling. Okay, but in other countries, they use this drone technology for construction. Okay, so you can use drone technology for construction monitoring. Okay, and you can create as-built models by using this drone technology. You can capture uh, your construction site, and based on that you can develop 3D models. Okay, and you can record your progress. So this is very important. Okay, a lot of countries use this drone technology for construction industry. Then in building information modeling. Okay, so we will discuss further about this building information modeling, and this is very, very important. Okay, and if you go for an interview, or if you go for job interview, or RICS interview, or AIQS interview, okay, sometimes they might ask what is building information modeling. Okay, today I will help you to memorize the concept of building information modeling. Okay, you will never forget this after today's class. Okay, please concentrate. I will help you to memorize this definition. Building information modeling, BIM, is an intelligent 3D model based process that gives architecture, engineering, and construction professionals the insight and tools to plan, design, construct, and manage building and infrastructure efficiently. Okay, you have to remember three things. Okay, please focus. Okay, open your eyes and please focus. I will help you to memorize this definition. Okay, what is building information modeling? It is an intelligent 3D model based process. Okay, no need to remember this. Okay, so when we discuss about building information modeling, okay, 3D model has to be involved. Okay, intelligent 3D model based process. Okay, 3D models has to be there. Okay, it is obvious. First point, BIM is an 3D model based process. Okay, remember that. Okay, who are involving in this process? Architecture, engineering, and construction professionals. Okay, in short form, AEC professionals. Okay, you have to remember this. Okay, first point, this is 3D model based process. Who are involving? Architecture, engineering, and construction. AEC professionals are involving in this process. Okay, the and the insights and tool to, okay, plan, design, construct, manage, and manage. Okay, plan, design, construct, and manage. Okay, this is very obvious. We use building information modeling to plan and design. Okay, plan and design is obvious. Okay, after that we have to construct a building. Okay, first we will plan, then design, then we will construct. After that we have to manage, okay, buildings and infrastructure efficiently. Okay, so you have to memorize these three things. What is the first thing? This is 3D model based platform. 3D model based platform. AEC professionals are involving. Second point is AEC professionals are involving. Third point, okay, we can use this for plan, design, construct, and manage buildings and infrastructure. Okay, not only the buildings but infrastructure also. Okay, now close your eyes. Okay, and recall this definition. Okay, building information modeling is a 3D model based platform. Okay, who are involving AEC professionals, architecture, engineer, and construction professionals are involved in this platform. Okay, we use this platform to plan, design, construct, and manage buildings and infrastructure. That's it. Okay, so uh, you can close your eyes and you can you can recall it again. And if you remember the definition, please put a yes message in the chat box. You will never forget this again. Please put a yes message in the chat box. Very good. 3. Very good. Humais, Muhammad, Lakshika, Gauspek, Ebold, Steenkamp. I'm very good fan of yours. Hussein, Buddhika, Lakindu, Krishan, Said, Kodagoda. Yes, excellent. Okay, that's what I need. Okay, then when you go for an interview, okay, if they ask you what is BIM, you can tell them. Okay, it's very simple. Then dimensions of building information modeling. Okay, before I teach you these dimensions of building information modeling, I will tell you one thing. Okay, so this is just an definition. Okay, so there are a lot of contradictions about these definitions. Okay, uh, some will tell, okay, 5D beam. Okay, if you want to define 5D beam, you have to talk about cost and time both. Okay, so some people will tell like this. Some people will tell, okay, 5D beam means 3D model plus cost. That's it. Okay, so there are contradictions. Okay, so there is no exact definitions. Okay, for these beam dimensions. Okay, so don't worry about those kind of things. Okay, um, there are no standards for these beam dimensions. Okay, I will teach you briefly about these beam dimensions. Okay, please get a brief understanding about these beam dimensions. Okay, what is 3D beam? Okay, I will play a nice video for a change. You can see. Okay, so before we construct a building, we have to create a 3D model. Okay, so before we um, create this comprehensive 3D model, we have to suggest a concept. Okay, you can see this is the concept. Okay, based on this concept, BIM engineers will develop this amazing building information model. Okay, you can see first we have to give the concept. Okay, based on the concept, our BIM engineers will create this comprehensive 3D model. Okay, so this is amazing thing. Basically 3D beam is 3D model plus information. Okay, so this is the definition of 3D beam. But you have to understand the core. Okay, first beam first the client will give the concept. Okay, based on that concept, um, the architect create the basic design. Based on that basic design, BIM engineers, quantity surveyors, and other uh, stakeholders will collaborate together and create this comprehensive uh, BIM model. Okay, so after creating the BIM model, uh, the constructors, okay, contractors, they work hard to uh, make it a reality. Okay, so yeah, this is about 3D BIM. Then I will explain you about 4D BIM. Okay, so I explained this before. Okay, so we can use Revit software or ArchiCAD software or any other building information modeling software and create this 3D model. Okay, after creating this 3D model, we can get the construction program from Excel, uh, MS Project or Primavera. Okay, then we can merge this 3D model with our construction program. Then we can simulate. What is simulation? You can see timeline going like this. Okay, see July 22nd week, August 26th week. Okay, while timeline going like this, we can generate the 3D model. Okay, okay, from August 26, we will do this construction. Okay, then September to 30th week, we will start this one. Okay, so timeline going like this. Okay, according to the timeline, okay, you can see the development of the 3D model. Okay, so this is basically 4D BIM time plus 3D model. Okay, so it is called as 4D BIM. Then we have to understand about 5D BIM. Okay, so this is a nice little video from Gordon. I will share this with sound. Okay, so you can enjoy this video. Then I will explain you about 5D BIM.
Just imagine. Each of your projects could be automatically taken off. Each of your quantity reports could be intelligently generated. Each quantity of your BQ could be traced back to your source. Check is so easy and clear that you could view them directly without any redundant calculation. We present you QBcost. With QBcost, you could obtain dimensions on drawings intelligently and generate BIM models accordingly. You could possess multiple standard methods of measurement around the world. Through the combination of built-in measurement rules and 3D models, you could calculate the quantities automatically. Instead of repeated manual quantity takeoff, you could obtain the quantities rapidly with just a few steps. In addition, QBcost provides present report formats that you use most frequently and fill data in them automatically. Thus, you no longer need to copy or compile the complicated Excel formulas. Meanwhile, you could customize the required report formats on your own. After you fill quantities in BQ, QBcost could help you interconnect BQ, quantities, and BIM models. You could easily find out where each quantity item in BQ is from and where it goes. This is QBcost Takeoff Solution, your intelligent, visual, and interconnected whole process takeoff solution.
Okay, so 5D BIM. Okay, so we are going to learn 5D BIM. 5D BIM is basically a 3D model plus cost. Okay, so we have to inject cost information to our 3D model. Then we can use those cost information in order to manage the cost of the building. Okay, so then we'll discuss about 60 BIM. Okay, 60 BIM is basically about sustainability concept plus 3D model. Okay, if I give you an example, you can create energy models. Okay, so you can use Revit software to generate these energy models, and you can manage the energy of the building by using these energy models. Okay, so and after creating the 3D model, you can analyze that 3D model and you can get some important data to minimize energy emissions from this building. Okay, so and this is very interesting topic. And now construction industry is going towards net zero carbon concept. And we will discuss more about 6D BIM during our course. And then 7D BIM, okay, after finishing the construction, okay, we have to do the asset management, okay, the facilities management stage, 3D model plus facilities management called as 7D BIM. And this is also very interesting area. And we will discuss further about digital twin. Okay, so digital twin coming under this 7D BIM. Okay, so we will discuss more about digital twin in future slides. And this is digital twin. Okay, so very interesting topic. And you can enjoy this video
There are many
first.
notable twins in the world today. You might even be a twin. But do you know what a digital twin is? Essentially, it's a digital version of a physical object, a dynamic, up-to-date digital replica of a built asset or environment. With the help of building information modeling, artificial intelligence, machine learning, and Internet of Things technology, data from the original asset is used to build and improve the digital twin. By providing a precise, up-to-date model of its original, a digital twin can help designers, engineers, contractors, owners, and manufacturers create more efficient structures. Digital twins can help with everything from planning, design, and construction to operations and maintenance. Consider a building that's already been designed and constructed. Imagine there's a digital twin of the entire facility, from the roof to the HVAC to the mechanical, engineering, and plumbing systems. Now imagine that sensors in the building provide the digital twin with real-time information. The digital twin updates itself according to the data. Then, building owners can view areas where the building is aging or faulty and make improvements. On a greater scale, multiple digital twins can be integrated in an entire ecosystem.
Okay, so digital twin is a nice concept. Okay, so actually, I will explain you about the practical scenario of this digital twin. Okay, so I can tell you a lot of theories. Okay, but those theories are boring. Okay, therefore I will explain you about the practical scenario of this digital twin. Okay, so first we have to do our construction. Okay, so after finishing the construction, we can develop a as-built model, okay, of that construction project. Lot of people thinks, okay, digital twin is building information modeling. Okay, so it is not true. Building information modeling is a small part of this digital twin concept. Okay, twin concept is very large scale concept. Okay, so first you have to finish your construction project. Okay, I will explain you the practical scenario, then you will not feel boring. Okay, first you have to complete your construction. Okay, then after that you can create the as built model. Okay, just similar to that construction. Okay, you have to consider about every inch. Okay, you have to uh, create 3D model for transportation systems of that particular building, air conditioning systems, security systems. Okay, all the things you have to consider. Okay, electrical system, plumbing system, everything you have to model. Okay, in this virtual platform. After that, you can simulate that 3D model. Okay, then you can get a very good understanding about the functionality of this physical building, how water flow through these pipelines, how electricity go through these electrical wires. Okay, how ventilation system works. Okay, so you can get very good understanding about the functionality of that building from this 3D model. Okay, then you can put some sensors in this building. Okay, as example, uh, you can put some sensors in rooms. Okay, so from those sensors you can get very good understanding about the temperature of the building. Okay, that device will understand the temperature. Okay, now this room is hot. Okay, then through Internet of Things, IoT, you can transfer this information into this digital replica. Okay, okay, now that particular information, okay, this room is hot. Okay, that particular information will go to the digital twin. Okay, now what we have to do, we have to reduce the temperature. Okay, so the digital replica is intelligent enough to analyze those data and give the feedback to the building. Then automatically uh, this digital twin is connected with the ventilation system of that building. Then automatically you can reduce the temperature. Okay, so this is a very good example for this digital twin. Okay, so you can connect your building security system with this digital replica. Okay, then you can uh, get a lot of information about the security of the building. Okay, you can analyze. Okay, so if there is a security failure, you can identify. Okay, and building deterioration. Okay, so if you construct a mega scale building, you can put some sensors at the outside surface of that building. Okay, so when that building deteriorate due to the heat and other weather conditions, you can understand. Okay, then you can do the maintenance based on those information. Okay, so this is a very advanced concept, digital twin, very interesting concept. Okay, after you become a BIM engineer, okay, you can work about these kind of things. Okay, so it's very interesting. So as quantity surveyors, our job, I feel boring, right? Okay, so we every day we deal with numbers and figures. Okay, and some contract engineers every day they go through this old book called FIDIC 1987, and sometimes for some people it's very interesting, but I don't know. For me, it is boring. Okay, so I love these digital technologies. Okay, so if you have passion towards these digital technologies, I suggest you to learn further. Okay, so you can learn many things. Okay, and you can update yourself and upgrade. So it will help you to uh, discover more things. Okay, so you can charge. It will charge your dopamine level. Okay, so your life will be wonderful after merge into these digital technologies. Okay, so then we will discuss about some boring theories about maturity levels of building information modeling. I will start with the LOD 100, okay, which is pre-design stage. Okay, so in this pre-design stage, you can only find these 2D symbols, and sometimes they will you can identify biases. Okay, so this is very preliminary model. Okay, then we can discuss about LOD 200. Okay, elements are partially defined, outlined, approximate quantity, site shapes and locations. Okay, you can get a basic model with all the quantities. Okay, and you can identify sizes and shapes of the elements. Okay, so this is also uh, a basic model. Okay, but LOD 300 model is a comprehensive model. Okay, and you can get exact dimensions and basically you can develop some cost plans based on LOD 100 and 200. So as pre-contract quantity surveys, you know, we have to provide cost plans for CD, concept design 50 drawings, and concept design 100 drawings. Okay, so LOD 200 and 100 coming under concept design cost plans. Okay, then if you have LOD 300 model, okay, it's similar to SD, schematic design 100 drawing. Okay, so you can find dimensions, and you can uh, define all the elements. Okay, so you can extract quantities based on those elements under this LOD 300. It is a developed model. Okay, and LOD 350. In LOD 350, you can get precise informations of model, and you can get connectivity between structural elements and MEP elements. Okay, so you can do clash detections in LOD 350 because you can identify the connectivity between different departments. Okay, so you can have uh, building model, and you can have MEP model, and you can merge them together, and you can detect the clashes because you can find the connectivity between those two departments. Then LOD 400 is very standard model. Okay, so you will have a lot of information in LOD 400, and you can have construction informations about the building. Okay, so I hope you have heard about these method statements. Okay, so you can find all the information regarding construction of building elements in this LOD 400. LOD 500 means as built model. Okay, so after you construct your building, okay, you can put all the informations to your model, and you can create a comprehensive model. You can use this LOD 500 model for digital twin as well. Our friend asking a question. Thank you very much, Ewald, asking this particular question. In your opinion, how will you motivate the client and architect to use BIM? It's a very good question. What is the benefit for them? Most of my clients see this as adding another team member. For example, BIM manager, which will increase fees paid on the project. Actually, this is very good question. Okay, so I have read a lot of research regarding BIM implementation. Okay, so there are plenty of opinions. Same scenario happening in Sri Lanka. So we don't have the cost. Okay, so if you want to implement building information modeling, you have to make a plan. Okay, you have to purchase some software, you have to hire people like BIM managers, and you have to pay huge salary for them. Okay, initial cost will be high. Okay, but you can enhance long-term benefits. Okay, so in at the latter part of this course, I will teach you about BIM execution planning. Okay, basically we can discuss BIM execution planning into under three stages. Okay, first we have to compare the traditional method with the building information modeling method. Okay, before we implement building information modeling, we have to do that comparison. As example, what is the traditional method for construction planning? Okay, so we basically get Primavera software. Okay, and we uh, divide our construction scenario into parts. Okay, then we have to define the time, and we have to allocate resources for those time slots. Okay, then we can do the construction planning. So that is our traditional way. Okay, basically we use Primavera software. But if we use building information modeling, we can create as built model. Okay, and we can create 4D, we can do 4D simulation. Okay, so we can connect our construction program with the 3D model. Okay, so we can visualize the resources. Okay, and it will be easy for our client also. We can easily explain things to our clients by using a 3D model. Okay, so before we implement building information modeling, we have to do that comparison. Okay, not only these benefits that we can see, okay, but also we have to discuss about the cost benefits as well. Okay, so how we reduce our cost uh, by using this building information modeling. Okay, so we have to analyze all those things before we implement building information modeling. Okay, so for your information, okay, if you want to obtain a project in Singapore, government project in Singapore, you must use building information modeling. Otherwise, they will not allow you to start that particular project. Okay, so BIM is a mandatory requirement in UK as well. Okay, so they are enhancing benefits from this building information modeling. But I don't know about Namibia, okay, but in Sri Lanka, so we don't have that much of money to invest for this building information modeling. Therefore, our government officials and contractors reluctant to implement building information modeling in their construction firm. So, if I give you a comprehensive answer, you can put a yes message in the chat box. Okay, so you have got my yes, very good. Thank you for asking that particular question, Elbert. Okay, so if you are a university student, okay, this is very good research area. Okay, so I also published a couple of research regarding BIM implementation in Sri Lanka, and yeah, this is very good area. Okay, and we have to do more research. Um, in this area. Okay, so these days I'm thinking to create a information hub. Okay, because I have a lot of students in UAE, UK, Australia, New Zealand, and Canada. Okay, so we can get their insights. Okay, so they know about the technology and they have practical experience with these technologies. Okay, so we can get the experience and we can help countries like Sri Lanka and Namibia uh, to implement building information modeling. According to my opinion, government has to take the lead. Okay, so those are coming through these research, those ideas coming through these research experiences. Okay, so coordination and collaboration. Okay, so if I tell you, okay, coordination, is like this. Okay, so building information modeling is a model-based platform, and all the stakeholders has to join in a common platform, and they have to give their ideas for the design. Okay, if I tell you like this, you will feel boring, right? Okay, so I will give you a practical experience regarding this one. Okay, please give me a moment. I will log into my Cubicle software. Okay, and I will show you about this feature of building information modeling coordination. Okay, in our universities we learn, okay, coordination is like this. All the stakeholders has to be collaborate in a common platform, and they have to contribute for the design development. Okay, so you all I think have heard about that kind of thing. Okay, so this course is different. Okay, I hate those boring theories. Okay, so I like practical things. Okay, that's why I want you to show that. Okay, so during this course you will experience that. Okay, then you will have a better understanding. Okay, so it is very important. uh, After having that understanding, you can go to the industry and you can perform well. Okay, so I want at least 10 BIM managers from this course. Okay, so actually it will help you to create huge wealth. Okay, so this is Cubicost software, and I will go to my Cubicost cloud. Okay, so yeah, you can see this is the cloud. Okay, this is where we use collaboration concept. Okay, you can see project space. In this project space, all the stakeholders can log. Okay, and they can upload files, tender files, contract files, construction material, payment files. Okay, so they can upload anything. Okay, so this is the collaboration. Okay, now you can feel, right? Okay, this is the collaboration. Anyone can log into this platform and they can upload things, they can download things. Okay, so that is collaboration that you have to understand. This is private space, employee space. Okay, in this employee space, you can see some files. Okay, so you can upload these files. Nobody can come into this employee space. This is private space. So you can upload private things to this employee space, and this is shared space. Okay, so if you have a team in your construction project, okay, let's say 8-member team. Okay, so that team can upload files in this shared space. Okay, then outside collaboration. If you want to share information with outside parties, you can use this outside collaboration. Okay, so I will give you another example. Uh, if I click on this one, okay, I can go to this Ebicos cloud and I can see the 3D model. Okay, so it will take time. I'll close this tab. It will take, oh, okay, now it's loading. Okay, you can see this is a 3D model, right? Okay, so everyone can log into this Because cloud by using a link. Okay, you can see you can share this model from a link, okay, to outside parties. Then they can open that click on that link and log into this three this Because cloud. Okay, and they can visualize this 3D model. Okay, you can see this is my browser, web browser, uh, Internet Explorer, okay, web browser. So by using the web browser, you can observe the 3D model. Okay, not only observe. If you are an architect, okay, you can do markups. Okay, so we are quantity surveyors. No, we don't know about these uh, design things. Okay, so if you are an architect, you can cloud. Okay, this is wrong. Okay, you can put an arrow like this. Okay, so you have to concentrate about this. This is wrong, and you have to change this. You can comment. Okay, so architects can also log into this platform and they can comment. Okay, so this is the collaboration. Okay, we have to collaborate with each others. Okay, and also you can do a lot of things. I can click OK now. Then this comment will go to the architect. Okay, like this. Then if you want to see the sections of this model, you can do it like this. See, you can see the sections. Okay, by using this one, see, you can see the sections like this. See, and and you can get all the quantities. Okay, if you go to reports, you can get all the quantities like this. Okay, so this is collaboration. Okay, if you understand and if you feel collaboration, please put a yes message. Okay, I want you to feel collaboration. If I tell you the theory, you will feel boring. Okay, even yeah, if I am a student, I also feel boring. Okay, what is this collaboration? Bunch of theories. Okay, so boring theories. Okay, no more boring theories. We have to understand the practical scenario. Okay, and interoperability. Okay, so this is another feature of building information modeling. Okay, if you model your 3D model by using Revit software, okay, you can convert it to IFC format, okay, International Foundation class, and you can open that model in any other software. Okay, so that is interoperability. Okay, basically that is the idea of interoperability. Okay, so for your information, I will give you an practical example for this interoperability. Okay, then you will understand. And actually, this is a practical project done, done by me uh, in Oman. Okay, so in this project, I have completed, I think, 16 buildings in 1 week. Okay, so I talked about this one, right? So I got 2,500 Oman riyals for this project. It's nearly 2.2 million Sri Lankan rupees. I don't know about yeah, we can convert it to dirhams. It's like 22,000 dirhams. Okay, so this is one project, one building of that particular project. Okay, so this is the benefit of Cubicost. After learning this software, you can do big projects by yourself. Okay, and you can see this is my 3D model. Okay, I can convert this into another format. Okay, so I will convert this into TS format. Okay, like this I can convert and I can save. I will save it in desktop. Okay, this is TS software. Okay, then I'll close this one. I will open another software. Okay, TRB. This is our reinforcement modeling software. Okay, okay, this is TRB6. Okay, now I will open that particular project from this software. Okay, so that is interoperable model generation. Okay, so it is a quality of building information model. Okay, so yes. Okay, now I will go to this BIM model. Please give me a moment. I can go to this import model and I can click on this one. Then I can get this presidential chalet. Oh, calculation rule is different. Okay. We have to try for another model because that calculation rule is different. Okay, I will teach you another example. Okay, so I will import a Revit model to our TES software. Okay, so the initial model done by Revit software. Okay, now I will open it from the TES software. Okay, so then you can understand the scenario. Okay, so actually I'm sorry because I think I used different rule to generate this presidential chalet. Okay, so rules has to be the same. Okay, I'll check the rule. Okay, I will share my screen. You can see this is my Cubicos TS software, and I will go to NRM2. Then I will open Revit model from this TS software. Okay, so it is interoperable model generation. Okay, I can model my model by using Revit software. I can import it by using TS software. Okay, so then you can understand the uh, practical scenario. Okay, so I can click on this import Revit file. Then I can find my Revit file from my desktop. Okay, and I can open. Okay, so I can open Revit model from this TS software. So that is interoperable model generation. See, yeah, this is my Revit model. Okay, then I will do the revised scenario. Okay, so this is how you can import Revit model into TS software. Then I will show you how to open TS model from the Revit software. Okay, then you can get a very good idea. Okay, so this is Revit model. Okay, so I open this Revit model from TS software. Okay, then this is 3D model I have generated by using some 2D drawings. Okay, presidential chalet. Okay, I'm going to export this into IFC and I will open this one from Revit software. Okay, so let's give a try. This is BIM model. I can export this into IFC. Okay, so I can see all flows here. I will export this into IFC and click OK. I will save this in desktop IFC format. Okay, let's try to open this by using Revit software. Okay, so I developed this drawing by using this 2D. Sorry, I developed this model by using these 2D drawings. Okay, now I'm going to open this by using Revit software. Okay, let's see. Okay, now I can find this one, IFC model, residential chalet. Okay. In IFC. Okay. So I will log into my Revit software. This is my Revit. Okay, let's try this one. Mm, it's not putting on. See a moment. Yes, I think I can open Revit software. Okay, it's going to open. Okay, finally. Okay, so I can click on this one, then I can search. Yeah, I will open architectural template. Architectural template. Architectural template. Then, yeah, I can open IFC. Let's see. Export. open IFC. See, open IFC. Yeah, we can open. Okay, so this is interoperable model generation. Okay, we'll see. It will take time. 49, 51, 52, 53, 55. Yeah, slowly. It will open. Eventually, please stay patient. Okay, it will take a little bit of time. That is interoperability. I will show you that model. Okay, after importing. Okay, so then to this we can discuss about upgrading loaded files. Yeah, ready. Still not. Okay, finally. Okay, this is the Revit model. And you can see flow fans. And I will go to this 3D one. Oh, can't you see it? So, right. Where is it? Really, we will come. I can't see. Oh. Yes. Okay. So later on, I will show you, but it has to be visible here. Okay. Try again. Residential shiny. Okay. I will show it later. Okay. So let's move to this parametric model generation. Okay. This is another feature of building information modeling. Okay. You can change the parameters of your model. Okay. So I will explain this by using TA software. Okay. So yeah, if you understand this interoperable model generation, please put a yes message in the chat box. Okay. You can understand, right? So we can open Revit model from TES, then TES model from Revit. Okay. But that Revit part didn't work according to my plan. Okay. That's fine. Okay, so next we will understand about this parametric model generation. This is very important concept. Okay, so we can change the parameters of 3D model according to our preference. Okay, and we can give external information to this model. Okay, so it is very, very crucial to understand. I will give you a practical example for this one. Okay, this is very important. Okay, so I hope still, yeah, you can see my screen. Okay, so this is a parametric model generation. Okay, I will start a new project and I will give you give a measurement rule. This is you can use rules of measurements. Okay, And yeah, this part is very crucial. Okay, please try to understand parametric model generation. You have to have a practical idea about it. Okay, and someone asks you, you can answer the question. Okay, and you can create a lot of parameters by using this building information modeling software. Okay, so as example, I will draw a wall. Okay, so this is a wall, and you can see, okay, this is a wall. Okay, if I click on this wall, okay, I can change the parameters of this wall according to my preference. I can change the parameters. Basically, parameters. What are the parameters? Length, height, width. Okay, see, I can change the thickness of this bad boy. Okay, I can put 5,000 if I want. Okay, then I can make it as make it like this. Then I can change the top elevation and bottom elevation according to my preference. Okay, I will give another 5 meters from the top elevation. See, I can change the parameter of this particular building element. Okay, so that is we called as parametric model generation. Okay, so these are parametric models. Okay, we can change the parameters according to our preference. We can give colors, we can give different colors. Okay, we can give different information. Okay, see, I can change the color if I want. I can make it red. See, so this is red. I can change the opacity. Okay, I can make it invisible. Okay, like this. I can change the opacity. See, now you can barely see this. Okay, you can do some changes to this one. Okay, so this is this called as parametric model generation. Okay, uh, and I hope now you have got very good understanding about this parametric model generation. And again, this is our model. Okay, but unfortunately, I can't visualize it. Okay, so but we can import that 3D model, IFC model into this software. Okay, and yeah, now we will discuss about professions in building information modeling. First, we will discuss about BIM manager. Okay, if you want to become a BIM manager, uh, you have to learn many things. Okay, you have to learn about how to use building information for design, construction, and handover of the project. And you have to have some skills. You have to have some teaching skills. You have to have some skills regarding quality control and information technology. Okay, so also if you want to become a BIM manager, you have to have solid communication skills. Okay, you have to have very good knowledge regarding English language, and you have to have some IT skills as well. Then if you want to become a BIM coordinator, okay, so you have to have proper communication skills, and you have to have very good understanding about BIM protocol. Okay, we will discuss about BIM protocol in future lessons. Okay, so I will give you a basic idea about BIM protocol. We know about this form of contracts, right? Okay, FIDIC 1987, FIDIC 1999. Okay, so we have very good understanding about those form of contract. Okay, so for BIM governed projects, we have different form of contract. Okay, called as BIM protocol. If you want to become a BIM coordinator, you have to have a very good understanding about BIM protocol, and software knowledge is must, and you have to have proper skills to checking also. Okay, so you have to have communication skills, technical skills, and IT skills in order to become BIM coordinator. So for these two professions, BIM manager, BIM coordinator, if you want to become BIM manager or BIM coordinator, you have to follow master's degree regarding building information modeling. Then BIM modeler. Okay, so after finishing this course, you can become a 5D BIM modeler. Okay, so you will have all the skills related to 5D BIM modeling. And for Revit, we have separate BIM modelers. Okay, so they are coming from architect backgrounds. And for engineers, they have separate software like Tekla and a lot of energy analysis software and structural analysis software. Uh, for quantity surveys, Cubicos is the one and only BIM software available for quantity surveys, exclusively available for quantity surveys. So if you are a quantity survey, you must learn Cubicos in order to become a BIM modeler. And if you want to become BIM modeler, you have to have a comprehensive understanding about one particular BIM software. Okay, so it is a must, and you can go for higher salary for as a BIM modeler. Then 5D BIM cost manager. Okay, after you become after you learn this Cubicos course, you can become 5D BIM cost manager. Okay, so I have a lot of students, okay, who are working as 5D BIM cost managers. Some of them use Revit software. Okay, they extract quantities from Revit and they uh, do cost management. And some of them use Costex software. Okay, so I have separate course for Costex. So they use model mapping technology to extract quantities from a 3D model, and then they use that for cost management. And I have a lot of students who learned key because and obtained job opportunities in Middle East. Okay, so they use key because software. Okay, so you have to have software skills and you have to have very good understanding about cost management if you want to become a 5D BIM cost manager. Uh, and that is professions regarding BIM. Okay, if you want to career, if you want to pursue a career related to building information modeling, you have to have very good understanding about collaboration. Okay, if you want to work in BIM based platform, you have to have great human skills. Okay, you have to deal with people. Okay, you have to have skills for regarding man management. Okay, otherwise you will struggle. Understand that BIM is not a software. Okay, so this is very, very important. Most of the people think, okay, building information modeling is a software. Okay, no, it's not true. Building information modeling is a platform. Okay, you can use Excel also in this BIM platform. Okay, so it is a model-based platform. Okay, you can use any kind of software in this platform. You have to understand that. Understanding about the basic concept of BIM, you already know the definition of BIM, and we know about some main concepts of building information modeling. Choose a tool applicable to your professional background, for example, Revit, Navisworks, and Syncropo. If you are an architect, you must learn Revit. If you are a construction planner, you must get familiar with Navisworks. Okay, if you are a construction project manager, okay, you have to have a very good understanding about Syncro. Okay, if you are a quantity surveyor, you have to learn about the key because 5D beam. Okay, so you have to choose a tool, okay, related to your profession. Master the tool. You have to master that tool. Have a basic understanding about programming language. If you want to pursue a career, learn C#, Java, then Python. Okay, so if you learn those programming language, you can become a better BIM professional. To use key because do we have to get extensive knowledge regarding BIM? No, no, no need to have knowledge. Okay, I'm just teaching you these BIM things, then you can get a very good understanding and you can use this knowledge for job interviews. Okay, that's why I am teaching these BIM things. Okay, so I hope you're not feeling bored. Okay, so benefits of BIM: optimization, schedules, and cost. Okay, you can reduce cost by using building information modeling. Quantity takeoff and estimation. You can easily take off quantities by using these BIM tools, and you can do estimation. Construction analysis and planning. Okay, so as I explained when I talk about 4D BIM, we can simulate our construction project, and we can analyze data, and we can use those data for the construction. Tracking and construction, tracking of construction activities. Okay, you can track your construction activities. You can create as-built models. You can do simulations, and you can inject informations whenever you want. Then coordination and collaboration. You can use these cloud-based platforms for coordination and collaboration, easy maintenance, building lifecycle. As I explained in digital twin, you can use building information modeling for maintenance, clash and conflict detections and risk mitigation. So if you have a structural model and if you have MEP model, you can merge them together and you can do clash detections. Okay, and it will be very, very important for risk mitigation. And I explained this in our first day. Okay, be futuristic. Okay, I will briefly explain about this. As quantity surveyor, be futuristic. This is Metaverse, this is Neon project, this is the Ring project, this is Brisbane Olympic, and this is Sri Lanka Port City. Lot of opportunities for BIM professionals. Be mindful and think out of the box. Okay, from this slide, you have only one takeaway. Start a business. That's it. Okay, I will not talk further about this slide. Then engage with technology. Learn. That is the main part. Okay, unlearn previous things and upgrade your mind. Okay, with these digital technologies. Okay, after 5 to 10 years, okay, you will not use those contract books. Okay, all the things will be done by AI. Okay, if you are not ready to merge with artificial intelligence, okay, you will be expired. Then this is very important. Okay, Upwork and Fiverr. I will do some separate podcasts regarding these things. Okay, so these things are very important. You can earn money by using these commercial platforms, and create your LinkedIn profile. Improve your speaking ability by using Toastmasters. Okay, be creative when you prepare a CV. Okay, then opportunities will attract you. Okay, so that's what I wanted to tell you. Okay, so in this introductory session, and now we have to do something together. Okay, so please, I will teach you how to log into our online training platform. Okay, so please follow me and we can do this together. Okay. I have shared this one in WhatsApp group. This one. Okay, I will share this in chat box as well. Okay, please log into this one. Click on the link and log into this one and put a message in the chat box. Okay, please log into this one and put a message in the chat box. Guys, please do this. Thank you, Laknidu. What about others? This is very important. Okay, this is our online training platform. Okay, you can revise your memory. And this is $600 worth platform. Okay, so you can have it for free. Put it on message. Okay, and go to Glodden CDD. Glodden CDD, this basic training. Okay, go to TS basic training. Yeah, Gautam, I will add you now. Please give me a moment. KG Gautam. KG Gautam. Okay, Gautam, I add you to the group. Okay, done. Then I will put again these codes. Okay, you can use these coupon codes. Okay, go to enroll now. Okay, then pay key in coupon code. Pay key in coupon code. Okay, then here you have to put the coupon code. Okay, come to this level and put a done message. Put a done message, guys. Come to this level. Yes, as you have to click on the link. Okay, click on the link. Go to TAS basic training. Okay, click on the link. Go to TAS basic trainings and click on enroll now. Then click on coupon code. Okay, then you have to type this coupon code. Okay, BIM 5D01. BIM 5D01. Okay, come to this level, everyone. I will repeat. Okay, now this time, Buddhika, please follow this. Okay, I will do this again. Okay, you have to click on the link. Okay, if you click on the link, please put the done message. Gautam. Okay, if you click on the link, please put the done message. Buddhika, I need your done message. If you come to this level, Buddhika, I need your done message. Okay, done. Okay. Then Buddhika, every time please put the done message. Okay. Then can you see this TS basics, Buddhika? Can you see this TS basics? Put TS message if you can. Yeah. Click on this TS basics. If you come to this enroll now, please put a done message. Pathom, it is BIM 5D01. Okay, not 1. BIM 5D01. Okay, I have put that coupon code in the chat box. Click on enroll 1. Enroll now. Okay, Buddhika, please come to this level and put a done message. Done. Buddhika, done. Buddhika, I need your done message. Yes. Click on pay in coupon code. Put a done message, Buddhika. Okay. Then BIM 5D01. BIM 5D01. Okay. BIM 5D01. Everyone put BIM 5D01 and click apply. BIM 5D01. Click apply. Okay. Okay. Now put your email address. Put Tilina Vitarana at gmail.com. Then get it for free. Okay. Okay, if you can log into online training platform, please put a done message. Okay, so I already have account. Okay, that's why. Yeah, saying existing account detected. Okay, so if you have different email, okay, please put your email here and click on it, get it for free. Okay, if you can log into Cloud online training platform, please put a done message in the chat box. You all can log, right? Everyone? Yes. Put a done message, everyone. I need done message from everyone. If you have any problem, please feel free to tell me. Okay. Everyone, you can log, right? Yes. Okay. Okay. Now I will share a Google form. Okay, so please fill that Google form. Okay, then you can get Ubiquitous license to your email address. Okay, it's very crucial. Please fill this. This is small Google form. Okay, you have to tell three things: your name, your company, your email address, and your WhatsApp number. Okay, only these four things. Okay, I will share the form and please fill it now.
Sir, we don't have to verify email address by entering code.
No need to verify. Just enter your email address and click on get it for free. Okay. Okay. Here's this Google form. Fill this and put a done message in the chat box. I'll share this in WhatsApp group also. Rishant Tupul. Okay, so you have selected the TA's intermediate training. Okay, so I told you to click on uh, basic training. Okay, this is coupon code
Yes,
for the basic
I
training.
got it.
Okay. For intermediate training after finishing this course, okay, so I will guide you to get intermediate certificate. Okay, for that you have to follow this intermediate course. Okay, then I will create. So I will give you the coupon code for this intermediate training as well. Okay. Okay, please put the run message. I want everyone to put the run message. Okay. Yeah, put this one. Nope. Guys, you have to feel this. Okay, this is of no need to pay money for this software. I will give this for free. Okay, so please fill this because uh, some students, okay, said they don't fill this form. Okay, then after a couple of weeks they're asking, okay, so I didn't receive any email from Gordon, how I can get the software. Okay, so they asking those questions. Okay, so please fill this form. Okay, it will help us both. Put it on message. Cannot access. Click on get it free, then you can access. Milha. Use different email address. Okay, because I think yeah, I use different email address. Okay, then you can try again. Okay, and please remember to use basic training. Okay, basic TS training. Maybe you try for intermediate training. Okay. Yeah. You can share your screen if you want. Okay. If you fail again, please share your screen. I will help you. Okay. Now I will check my Google Form 31 responses. Okay. I want you all of you to respond this one. Okay. Then I can allocate license. Then I can start the first class on Friday. Yeah, try again. So by mistake, I close the web page, then click again the link and try again. Very simple. Okay. Yes. Then I will guide you. Yeah. So after I allocate license, I will give you the guidance video. Okay. So you can follow the guidance video and you can activate your license and install. So tomorrow I will put TA software download link. Okay, so you can download very easily from that link. Then you can install. Okay, very simple process. Okay, so yeah. Uh, now this is the start of your BIM journey. Okay, so there are many more things to learn. Okay, so you can start your BIM journey from this class. It will help you to develop a fantastic career. Okay, so if you are in Sri Lanka or India or Bangladesh, okay, or any other country, uh, you can perform well and obtain a job opportunity in UAE based on this knowledge. Okay, I brought 8 students from Sri Lanka to UAE companies directly. Okay, if you are a Sri Lankan quantity survey, you have to come to UAE and you have to come on visit visa. Then you have to struggle a lot to find a job opportunity. But I did all the interviews via the Zoom. Okay, I straight away selected those candidates and I brought them to UAE. Okay, so yeah,
Hello, hello, Mr. Green.
yes, Milhan.
It's difficult when I mean,
Yeah, Milhan, you can share your screen, then I can help you.
okay. Um,
Um, Gautam asking a question, do I have to enroll in these coupons for all these courses now? No, no, only TES. Milhan, please share your screen. Or Said Hassan, anybody? Yeah, next class will be on Friday. Okay, so tomorrow, um, if everyone fill this Google
Yes,
form,
sir.
I can allocate license tomorrow. Okay, so we can start training.
Sir, can you see my screen?
Yeah, I can see your screen. Go to
So I by mistake
basic.
so
Yeah,
this is
click
one I
on
should
close this one, Glodden online training platform. Click on enroll now. Click on pay key in coupon code.
my internet is a bit slow, sir. It's showing like this.
Okay, close that one. And you can see you have opened different tabs. Okay, so you can see Glodden online training in another tab.
Yeah, I should close this.
No, the third tab. Please click on third tab.
That's what it is.
Yeah, close this one first. Close the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 tab. Please close the 6th tab. Okay, give me the control.
excuse me. Hello,
Yes,
hello, Mr.
Milhan.
William.
Yeah, Milhan, please wait.
Sorry,
Okay.
I close and
I will,
open. It's coming closing the program.
yeah,
Course.
I will have this one and I will come back to you. Okay.
Okay.
Uh, Click on that link, my dear. Sorry, I will get it.
Yes,
Yeah.
1 minute. Here.
So you have got coupon code for what? Okay.
Coupon code, yes. That access link I have sir, in my email. 1 second. Shall I show you
Yeah,
once?
yeah, please copy this one.
1 second.
Yeah, while you do that process, I will help Milhan. Okay, Milhan, you can share your screen.
Uh,
Yeah,
Catalina?
yeah,
I
this is
already,
it.
sorry, I closed it and reopened. It's coming like that. Then I
Okay,
see.
okay. Now it's okay.
So again, same procedure, same
No,
email
no, no,
ID, and we
no,
can
no
follow
need to,
that.
no, yeah, no need to do same procedure. You can click on
Ah,
start and you can learn from the online training platform. Okay.
from here we can start one by one, right?
You can start one by one.
Oh,
Okay.
thank
But please start this after the classes. Okay. You can revise your memory after the class by using these videos. Okay.
oh, thank you. Thank you.
Shall I share my
Yeah,
screen?
yeah, yeah.
Just
Click on key because basic training, my dear.
this
Okay.
one, right, sir?
Yeah. You already access. Okay.
Maybe.
Yeah, don't get confused. Okay. So you already done the correct thing. Okay.
Okay, done, sir. Okay, thank you.
The small question, there is
Yes.
logout, if maybe it's happened logout, but how we can come in, sir? I mean, can you just show me?
Just close. Okay. So
Ah,
whenever you go to that link, you can log in.
we can access.
You can
Okay,
access. Okay.
okay, thank you, sir.
Okay, you're welcome. So, guys, so that's it, right? Okay, so please fill this form. Still, I think I got 38 responses. Okay, so we have 50, 6 or 7 students in the group. Okay, so yeah, let's tell others to fill this form. Okay, then we can start Keeping us training on Friday. Okay, so yeah. Okay,
Uh,
so this lesson is how long you can enjoy for 3 months. Okay, so yeah, Umais,
So after closing that link, so when I log in, after when I select the link, it says that this course is closed for enrollment.
you can share a screen.
Okay.
Sir, you will share the software installation video, right?
Yes, yes, I will share the software download link. This course closed for enrollment. No, you already enrolled, my dear.
So I can select from here, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Okay. Look, first you have to log in, okay?
Sir, I can't get.
Yeah,
Can
you
I
can
share
share
my
the
screen?
screen. Yeah.
Sorry, sir.
Okay, from here you can. Yeah.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Okay. Aish, share your screen.
Yes, sir. Sir, is it
I
visible?
can't see. You had to go to that particular tab, my dear. Okay, copy the link from the WhatsApp group and paste in the browser.
This one, sir.
No, no, no. No, no, no. Go to WhatsApp group.
Sir, I have WhatsApp in my another phone, sir.
Ah, okay. Then I will share the link in. I have already shared the link in. Can you select link from the Zoom?
What, sir?
If I put it in Zoom, can you select?
Sir, wait a minute.
Sir, if the session is done, can we leave?
Yeah, yeah, you can leave. You can leave.
Sir.
We will help this guy.
Thank you. Thank you.
Okay,
Thank you.
okay, you're welcome. Okay. Okay, my dear, you can select the link from the
This one, sir.
box. Select the Zoom. Select that one. Okay. Enlarge your Go to basic TS basic.
This one, sir.
Yeah, this one. Click on enroll now.
Okay, sir.
Click on pay coupon code.
Okay.
Then put the coupon code. Continue with Google. Continue with Google.
Continue. Okay, continue.
Yeah. Put your passkey or fingerprint. Okay, guys, good night. Okay, you can leave.
Sir, continue.
Continue. Login. Yeah, I think you have done the process. Go to this.
Yes, sir. All.
Yeah, go to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 tab.
What can I do, sir?
Go to 6 tab. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah.
This one, sir.
Yeah. No, not that one. Before that one. Yeah. So you already done. Click on get it for free.
You have already enrolled into.
So close it.
Close the tab for.
Yeah. That one close. Yeah. Final one also close. Again, put the.
Continue with Google. No?
Continue with Teachable. Go to continue with Teachable. Email address. Put your email address. Do you have different email address?
No, sir. I have only one, sir.
Okay. Password. Have you put a password?
Okay, sir.
No. Have you put a password before?
No, sir.
Okay. Then close it.
Go back, go, sir. Close,
Yeah.
sir.
Go back. Close it. Close it.
Can I
Close that tab.
close
Yeah.
the tab?
Yeah. Then go down. Click on here. Do you have a
Key
separate browser?
and new browser, sir.
Yeah, new browser. Oh, close this browser and close this browser and well, copy the copy that link and paste it here. Go down. Click on basics. Enroll now.
Can I click here?
Yeah. Enter the coupon code. Enter the coupon code.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, put the coupon code.
What's your coupon code? BIM.
Wait, that time. 5D01.
Okay,
Click
sir.
on play. Yeah. Get it. Put your email address. Get it free.
Get it for free, sir.
Yeah. So do you have different email address?
Wait a minute, sir. Yes, sir, I have, sir.
Oh, you can click on login. Click on login.
Login, sir.
Yeah, you can. Top. Get started. Then login. Yeah. Click on login. You will have a code. Please enter that code. Go to your email and enter this code. Go to the
Okay,
email
sir.
inbox.
Okay, sir.
Fourth tab. Yeah. Click on verify.
Sir, single key naman. Single terno.
Nothing else. Yeah.
Oh,
Get it free and only. You're already online. Test this.
sir, mama ada අලුත් email එක හදාගෙන බලමුද sir?
ඔයා මේ වෙන ඊමේල් එකක් දාලා ප්‍රයක් කියලා බලන්න ඕන හරි අවුලක් තිබ්බොත් අපි next class එකේ discuss කරමු.
හරි sir, හරි sir.
Okay.
ස්තුතියි sir. මම ඉන්නවා දැන් මේ සෞදි අරාබියා ඉන්නවා.
සියලු
room
සෞදි
එක ගොඩක් කට්ටිය ඉන්නවා. ඒක තමයි.
ඒකද?
සමාවෙන්න
TTS
sir.
ද කරන්නේ?
ඔව් මම කිව්වේ ඉවර කරලා හයි නැෂනල් ඩිප්ලෝමා එක ඉවර කරලා ආවා. තාම එවිල්ලා දවස් 20යි.
ඔයා cost
දැන්
exam කරාද මගේ?
නෑ sir කරන්න ඕනේ sir.
අපි ඉස්සරහට ඒක කරමු.
හරි sir මම message එකක් දාන්න WhatsApp එකට.
යන්න පුළුවන් මේ ගොඩක් jobs වලට. හරි?
මම WhatsApp එකට message එකක් දාන්න sir.
message එකක් දාන්න. හරි මම.
හරි sir.
හරි.
ස්තුතියි sir.
Mr. Delina, can I leave? This class is over.
Yeah.
Or
Your class is over. You can leave.
Okay, thank you. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.